Brian Campbell here with Campbell and Company Real Estate, presenting to you today one of our newest listings located at 149 Whitlaw Way in the desired north end of Paris. This 2+1 bedroom semi-detached home is turnkey, move-in ready, and available for immediate possession. Quick proximity to parks, amenities, as well as a quick commute away from the cities of Cambridge, Kitchener, Woodstock, and Brantford. Come on in, I can't wait to show you around. If you'd like more information on this great property, be sure to give Ryan a ring or reach out to your realtor today.